Okay, this is 2008 Acura MDX, the alternator wiring diagram. As you can see now, this is the alternator, and in that alternator we have the 4 wires. In that particular socket we have 4 wires, and then the 4 wires, number 1 here, this is the number 1 wire there, inside there, black, yellow. Okay, black, yellow is an ignition line. You can see IG. This is the ignition line that is coming from, it's an ignition line that is coming from a fuse, hot in on or start. That is the ignition fuse, fuse 18, 10 amp. Okay, this fuse 18, 10 amp, going down to alternator. Okay, this is the ignition line. Then number 2 there is white, green. Okay, number 2 is white, green. Where is it coming from? To the ECM. Okay, coming from the PCM. Yeah, coming from the PCM. Then number 3 wire is white, blue. Where is it coming from? It's coming from the alternator signal, alternator L signal. Okay, and we have number 4 white, red. It's the alternator FR signal. Okay, so the 3 wires are coming from the ECM, then from the PCM, whereas one of the wire is the ignition. So this one is not a kind of alternator that the signal goes direct to the combination meter. So this one passes through the ECM. As you can see here, this is the ECM. So if you are looking for light that will be coming up on the battery light that will be coming up on the dashboard, is not a direct system. It's coming through CAN line. You can see computer data line system. So it's these 2 data line system that will communicate to the combination meter to bring out the battery light. Okay, so this is how the alternator wiring system is connected. This is the computer data line, as you can see here. From here, you can see it here. This is a gauge control module. This is a gauge control module. This is a charging system. Charging indicator. This is a battery light. This is a battery light here. Okay, this is a battery light here. And then this is the computer data line, which is the CAN line that communicates to this gauge control module to bring that through the battery light. So it's not a direct wire from the alternator down to the gauge. Okay, so it's communicating with the data line. That's how it works. The steady current is already there, and the ignition current is already there, but the arc, you will not see it because it's not a direct wire. It's working with the CAN line. That's how the system works. This is Acura MDX 2007 charging system.